It was a busy morning for Ade as he got ready for his shift. After a quick breakfast, he booted up his system and checked up on every overnight ticket that he received. Then, the first call came in. A customer needed help resetting his password. After that, another one came in with an app connectivity issues. Ade was quick to analyze these problems and then resolve them accordingly within time. Ade patiently walked through their issues, and between calls, he updated knowledge-based articles from recent resolutions. By lunchtime, the queue has been cleared. Ade then joined a team meeting to discuss recurring problems and develop QA workflows. And then he tested a software patch before rolling out to the users. As the day wound down, Ade reviewed open tickets and scheduled follow-ups. He also prepared for an upcoming product launch by building up a support plan. And this is how another productive day ended for our support engineer, providing technical assistance to the general public. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech with Ronke. This is an exciting segment for everyone out there looking forward to exploring the world of technology. We'll help you discover how to switch careers, excel in any tech-related role, and guide you through the path to a successful tech career. Today, we'll explore the important roles of a technical support engineer and what you need to do to move into the technical support engineer role. Before we proceed, please click on the button below, like, share, and follow us for more exciting topics on all things tech related. Thank you. In every technology company, the support teams work behind the scenes to ensure that customers have absolute success. Now, for today's discussion, we'll discover the responsibilities, the necessary skills, and the career opportunities in a technical support engineer. This will lead us to ask, who is a technical support engineer? A technical support engineer assists customers directly in diagnosing and resolving technical issues, both via phone, on chat, using the chat box services, emails, or every other means of communication the organization has set in place for its users to communicate with the organization. They strive to deliver excellent support through troubleshooting issues, monitoring, and knowledge-based objects. What would be the responsibilities of a technical support engineer? From picking calls and resolving issues to telling a customer or giving you updates on the apps or the platforms. A technical support duties are vast. The key duties of a technical support engineer involves handling inbound customers' inquiries, working with development team, testing patches, and documenting resolutions. The technical support engineers ensure seamless post-sales service support through responsive problem solving and incident management skills. A day in the life of a technical support engineer includes checking all previous requests from customers, methodically replicating problems, and investigating root causes. They also help resolve resolutions by escalating complex issues to help inform senior engineers and document resolution thoroughly through ticketing systems. What do you think would be the skills and the qualifications of a technical support engineer? The main skills of a technical support engineer is to provide top-notch support. An upcoming technical support engineer such as yourself must develop strong troubleshooting skills and abilities alongside some soft skills. And for today's discussion, we'll be breaking down these skills into bite sizes so that you can fully understand every one of them. And you can practice them to build in your career or to build in your process as a technical support engineer. The first skill to acquire: gain product expertise. To truly understand your product and to be able to speak confidently about it to customers, it is important that you deeply familiarize yourself with how the product works, the value it provides, and also develop deep understanding regarding the product. Now, this expertise involves 1. Repeated hands-on use. You need to spend more time testing out features and configurations and cases to understand the real-world usage. You need to take on mock cases to experience issues from the customer's side or from the customer's perspective. 2. Exhaustive documentation review. You need to read on manuals, help pages, release notes, product publications, and etc. to have comprehensive knowledge beyond the user interface. You also need to know how to document your reviews and document your problem solving or resolution skills. 3. Formal products training. To be able to familiarize yourself with those products that you would be assisting customers in, you need to have formal product training. To do this, attend online courses or other onboarding courses run by Product Lifecycle Management. You can also check online, as these trainings would help you develop a deep understanding on these products and to help you with virtual context. 4. Keep on current releases. For this part, you need to be in tune. You need to be online. You need to develop a habit to review update notes, new versions that might impact product support, and a deeper understanding of how product works. 5. Ask questions. Now, for product speciality, you need to connect with engineers or PLMs to discuss and give behind-the-scene reviews on how things work or how products works regularly. Regularly immersing yourself in diverse learning channels and continuously investing to expand your expertise over time leads to true proficiency. This depth of knowledge and understanding then allows one to provide best-in-class customer experiences to your users. We're moving on to the second skill to acquire, which is sharpening your communication skills. Learn how to capture issues remotely through polite and patient questioning. A lot of us agree that we are polite in person, but as a technical support engineer, you need to have a degree extra in communications, and you need to achieve that by being 1. Polite questioning. Being fully present and engaging your customers through interactions, and avoid multitasking to give you undivided attention. Use emphatic statements such as, "That must be frustrating," to show that you understand their feeling or you understand your user's feeling. Convey respect through polite words and choices by addressing people by their name. Practice active listening. Restate, clarify, and ask follow-up questions without interrupting your users. Secondly, concise explanation. The goal is to make sure that everyone understands and give detailed explanation on their skill level. Use everyday languages instead of too many big tech terms. Learn to break down to your customers your words bit by bit till they get to understand them. Use straightforward words to explain what you're trying to do and why you're trying to do them. Tell them what to expect. Step-by-step words usage can help people understand what you're trying to do. For people or for your users that know more in technical terms, use tech words but bit by bit. Be clear about each part so that the reason of why you're doing this is understandable to them. Make sure to say what should happen at the end of every step you take. Step 3. Document reproducible steps. Learn to write down everything you do and how you're able to fix each problem. Leaving good notes is good for you and for others after you so that they can use them. If somebody else have the same issue, or probably if you encounter the same issue in the future, detailed notes will help you review similar cases without spending so much time escalating the same issues. Good notes are important for the future. They help if the problem comes back and help you to resolve them if and when the problem comes back. Clear writing help other tech folks who looks at your notes and also help them in building up for their role as a technical support engineer. Third skill to learn is to cultivate good troubleshooting techniques. Methodically replicating, investigating, and resolving problems will help you understand root causes quickly. Using myself as an example, I have a strong ability to carefully break down complex problems. My approach involves taking time to thoroughly examine each issue, understanding what truly is causing it, and effective solutions that can be taking place to resolve these issues. Employers would also appreciate you if you do not rush to conclusion for any technical issue that just might arise at your organization, but instead you focus on discovering the underlying reasons for every changes that might have arisen. By taking a thoughtful step-by-step process, you can determine the root causes and resolve problems in a meaningful way. Your goal is to learn the key details and explain what is happening so that you can address the issue at hand. This will be the end of this part. Next time, we'll be talking more about mastering your skills, building your portfolios, sectors you can work at, and how to get started as a technical support engineer. Before I close off, what are your thoughts? Do you think this would be the right role for you? Do you think you have the skills to becoming a technical support engineer? I have an assignment for you. Head on to LinkedIn and click on the search bar. Type in technical support engineer. View in the users that have this as their role and try to review what they have been posting on LinkedIn so that you'll be able to grasp an understanding of what this role entails and how you can get started at this role. And that will be all for now on Tech with Ronke. Before I close off, please do feel free to click on the like button, subscribe for this channel, and share with your friends for more information on all things tech related. Thank you for joining us on Tech with Ronke. Join us next time for more captivating discussions about all things tech related. Until then, stay curious, keep learning, and embrace the power of tech. This is Ronke signing off today. Have a blessed day.